If you're a homeowner or business owner in New South Wales, you can take advantage of the NSW government's Peak Demand Reduction Scheme, PDRS, to receive rebates of up to $2,400 when upgrading your property with a battery energy storage system. The scheme was introduced in 2022 and will run until 2050, offering long-term incentives to encourage energy efficiency and the adoption of battery storage solutions. To qualify for the rebate, you must be a homeowner or business owner in New South Wales, install a battery energy storage system that meets the program's requirements, use an approved supplier or installer to ensure compliance with the scheme, and apply for the rebate through a registered provider participating in the PDRS. It helps lower electricity bills by storing excess solar energy and using it when grid electricity prices are high. It also increases energy independence, reduces reliance on the grid, and ensures an uninterrupted power supply. Additionally, battery storage systems contribute to environmental sustainability by reducing carbon emissions, provide financial incentives of up to $2,400 on installation costs, and support NSW's energy efficiency goals by lowering peak electricity demand.